Hello, my name is James Glayer. I'm a software developer with over 20 years experience. I'm also a Udemy instructor and the author of several publications. My latest book is called Learn Concurrent Programming with Go, and it's a topic that lets you transform your programs. It adds another dimension to your code. Your code stops being this linear set of instructions that are executed one after the other, but instead it lets you do more at the same time. This is a notoriously difficult topic, and this book is my attempt to make the subject easier. In fact, I have included more than 100 diagrams to help you out. So what are you waiting for? Head on to manning.com and get yourself a copy.